Hey, best off film me now.
No more. They don't really love us no more. They don't really love us no more. They don't really love us no more.
Fuck up on my dope house. R.I.P. the Chinks drugs. Body what the shit is, forget what the shit was. All these rappers comical, record labels is comical. All you see is the R when I'm stomping through. Far from Halloween, but still I got that mask on. Bronx boys spitting fire, but no I ain't drag on. From the government to the work, it's albino. Long ties like Castellano, my squad riot like Bino. Bloody Puerto Rican, they loving the chinky eyes. So niggas play with fire and get burnt. I'm pyro. Rick said get him, I hit him. Niggas act bananas, I split them. For the unit I fit from.
They don't love us no more. They don't really 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 love us no more. I'm in the hood with my homies. We never fake, we ain't phony. I'm with some bloods and some real crips. We be on that real shit. I'm not the one you wanna deal with. We go 0 to 100 real quick. It's Roddy Boy to my casket. I got New York on my back, bitch. They don't love us no more. They don't really 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 love us no more.
I was 15, stacking case I need a bell. Sneaking out the house, 12 o'clock to make a sale. Took a oath, put the shit in my office to never tell. I go for mine and bitches, only me behind the cell. Look how they treat us, it's like we living in hell. Christ died for us, he let his blood leak off the nail.
Real talk.
He let his blood leak off his nails. Cause it's level to this shit, got his demons all in my hell. Youngie move with no fear, pussy boy don't go there. Shatter dreams, follow the rainbow and ain't no go there. Gun smoke pollute the air, my niggas gon' blow there. If you don't really love us, my nigga, I really don't care.
They don't love us no more. They don't really 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 love us no more.
We up next, don't give a fuck about what they say. It's rowdy, we been stopped robbing niggas on Tuesday. Alligator bloodline, ducking the one time. Rear range is homage, press rewind. New York, we felt we was running out of time, so we stayed in the lab, so we never running out of rhymes. God gave me the visions for me to see the sign. I got a mind full of coke, so I'm never running out of lines. Kept my hand on an eagle, eyes sharp as a needle. Hitting you where it hit you, bullets ripping through the tissue. They talk about us, they be around us. We know they don't really love us, but they gon' read about us.
They don't love us no more. They don't really 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 love us no more. They don't love us no more.